In this video, you will learn to create seamless patterns with abstract colored pencils. Hello there, creators. My name is Sir Orlando. I welcome you once again to the Creators World channel, where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. Do you wish to have a new outlook for your wallpapers and backgrounds? Do you desire to add some color and touch? Today I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful and colorful seamless pattern design using abstract colored pencils. This you can use as wallpapers and backgrounds for your book cover design, textile design, and any other project that will help build your business and grow your income. Are you ready? Let's go. We start by creating a square of 0.6 inches in size and rotate it at an angle of 45 degrees. Convert it to curves and with the help of the shape tool, resize it or reshape it into a diamond shape that looks like what you have on your screen. Make a copy of the shape and whilst holding down the Control key, move it upwards like this, somewhere around the center of the first shape. Now with the Bezier tool, let's make a line from the top to the bottom of the first shape. Draw a rectangle from the left corner to the middle of the first shape and change the height to 2.5 inches. Reposition it as you see on the screen and convert it to curves. With the shape tool, drag the right top corner node for it to hit the center of the first shape. Copy and paste and horizontally mirror it and reposition as you see on the screen. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill up the areas as you see on the screen. Now delete the unwanted shape. Hold down Alt and click to select the shape behind the fill to delete. Holding down Shift, select the two parts as you see on the screen and fill with color. Repeat this process as you see. Select all and set outline to none. Now we need to make 4 more duplicates of our pencil. So we copy and paste, and remember each time you paste, hold down the Control key whilst you drag it to the right to keep it aligned. So now that we have all our 5 pencils, we need to change the colors. So using Shift, we select the 2 parts of the pencil and change it to yellow, and select the other part and change it to a dark shade of yellow. We repeat this process for all the pencils to be set to the colors we prefer. After this, group all the pencils according to their colors. So we group the green, the orange, the blue, and the yellow. Now we are going to reposition our pencils next to each other. So select the first one, hold down Control while you drag, and then use Shift to help you select 2 or more, and keep holding down Control whilst you drag. Repeat this till you are done with all pencils to look like the way you see it on the screen. Now select all and make a copy and hold down Ctrl and drag it to the right. Select the second, fourth, sixth, eighth and 10th pencils and drag them a little below the others. Select all and make a copy and reposition them as you see on the screen. Realign the orange and the yellow pencils by using Shift to select the two pencils and pressing C to center align them. Now select all and make a copy again and drag to reposition them as you see on the screen. Remember to hold down Ctrl to keep them aligned. Great! Now we are done with our pencils for the page. Let's group them. Double click on the rectangle tool to create a rectangle shape around our page, and let's power clip our pencils into our rectangle. Set the rectangle's outline to none, and ta-da! Our abstract pencil background is ready. You can go further by adding some textures to make it look great. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.